Okay, this video is for Rebecca, who is wanting to see our greenhouse and what we had done with it. Before I go over there to the greenhouse, I'm going to let the chickens out first, since we're home now, and chickens and the turkeys. Everybody's ready to get out. There they go. Out they go. There's Tidbit right there. The turkeys. And all the hens running over to the grass so they can find bugs. There's Tom right there, thinking he's really a big stuff. Aren't you, Tom? You gobble? Gobble? Huh? Yeah. Like whatever. Okay, so here, let's go over here to the greenhouse and take a look. See what we got here. First thing, I've got the benches over here on the side where I am starting some plants, and I've got some things that I've already grown. And got some lettuce going here, some arugula, some Swiss chard, Greek cress. And then over here we've got some turnips, collard greens, just all kinds of things, romaine. And we've also got some strawberry shoots that we're starting here, and we're going to do these hydroponically too at some point. First, we're getting them in the getting them started in the dirt. So, benches over here on this side. Got my potting bench over here. I've got soil that I'm mixing with fertilizer so I can get a good mix of soil going. So then we walk over here to the back end of the greenhouse. And here we have the hydroponics set up. So what we have is a tank here that is a 100-gallon Rubbermaid tank. It's actually a stock tank that used for watering horses and cattle. We have it filled with water with fish in there. There's probably, oh, I don't know, right now probably 10 small sunfish and a couple a little bit larger catfish. The idea is the fish produce an ammonia waste in the water, so the water is fertilized naturally. The water is pumped up into these pipes, and it flows through the pipes. If you lift up one of these, you can, I don't know if you can see in here, but there's water flowing through there. So the plants are just barely touching the water as it flows through the pipe, and that water is fertilized with ammonia, which turns into, it's either nitrates or nitrites, and then it goes to either nitrates or nitrites. I don't remember which way it goes, but there's a chemical reaction that happens that produces natural fertilizer. So the plants grow healthy and strong organically with no chemicals or no man-made fertilizers in just the water. What we have here in these pots are some clay beads, and those are simply to hold the plant in place, provide stability to the plant. And then the clay beads also hold in some of the water, the moisture, so they retain moisture to keep the plant healthy. So if you lift this up, you can actually see a lot of the roots coming down. I planted this is a zucchini plant. I planted this probably, a couple days ago, and it was just a little shoot. So it has grown tremendously in just a few days. So we have, these are all lettuce here in these first few rows. And then we've got some zucchini here. I've got a cucumber here that's a little guy. He still has some growing to do, but the zucchini are really doing very well. Really good root structure there. And then we have the lettuce, some bigger lettuce here that is really thriving. I mean, this stuff has grown a lot in the few days that we've put it in here. So we've got the smaller ones in the front and then larger ones towards the back. And so eventually what we'll do is have another row of the pipes up above these, and that's where we're going to put some strawberries, some other climbing plants, zucchini, maybe some pumpkin. We'll see how they grow. So to finish off the process here, the water flows through the pipes and circulates amongst all of the plants, and then it eventually comes back here into the tank where it is just recycled, recirculates as it goes through. So that's about it. And we'll see how it goes. It's an experiment right now. We're just kind of playing around with it, seeing what works and what doesn't. So we'll see.